favorite videos and comment down below what other Christmas edition things you want us to do. Let's get started! Yay!
Okay guys, so this kit includes, we have a pre- Hi guys, so basically this kit includes, we have a pre-built gingerbread house. We have a couple of large gumballs.
Multicolored beads.
Yeah, we have multicolored beads. Pinwheels. And we have pucker-ups. And we have
pre-made icing white with a easy use.
and this skill set level is level 1. Let's get started, guys. Alright, so let's open up our boxes. Oh, let's take our time, guys. We don't want to build our house that's already built. Oh, you know what? Let's just do this. Let's just rip you open. Whoa, wait, careful, careful. Ooh. Oh, it's even nice. And already you can take a look. You see that all the things, all the roof is outlined, the windows are outlined already, the doors is outlined. So it makes our job that much easier. Yay! Okay, let's open it up. Already got started. Oh, we already got started. Okay, so let's put this over here so we can kind of copy what they have here. Because we're going to put it on display for Christmas Day.
I'll do it.
Oh, okay, you guys have to be careful with the scissors. Alright, so we started putting the icing on the gingerbread house. These guys are distracted of me. And they are eating everything. Wait, we have to put it on the top and then. Okay. It's okay. Okay, but you guys can't eat off all the stuff.
Then what are you guys going to put on the gingerbread house?
What are you guys going to put on the gingerbread house?
Nothing.
Okay, but Sam, for real, you can't eat it off.
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I'm keeping it safe.
But you guys are eating everything.
Hi, kids.
Hey, kids, welcome back to the gingerbread house. Today we are decorating the gingerbread house for Christmas. Christmas.
Ice piping skills, Auntie Rochelle.
Better than mine.
We're trying here because the boys are not interested in doing it. They're only interested in the candy.
Eating the candy.
Eating it.
I'm not eating it.
So what are you doing with it, Sam?
I'm putting it safe in this bag.
You're putting it safe in the bag so you can eat it later. Yep. Sure. I think we should take a baking class. Who thinks so? So next year we can actually bake the gingerbread. What do you guys think?
Yep. That's a good idea.
So we're just kind of randomly putting things all over the place here. It's just one of them things, you know? We just have to do it as best as you can. But not cut them, Josh.
I'm
Your
here
candy's falling
all over the
floor.
place.
Sam, I think you're dropping all the candy all over the place. That's what I think. I think it's kind of sticky. You guys just kind of stick it up here.
Mom, can I help you?
But that's what I've been trying to tell you guys. If you guys are just bailing on me here, let me put it on top. Okay, we put it to lay down. I think that's better. Where's the other pinwheel? Oh, you have it. Oh, there it goes. Okay. So let's put the little pearls on top. Okay, let's put them all over. Whoop, whoop. Everything's falling apart.
You guys need to put more
Runaway
icing
beads.
on your gingerbread house.
Runaway beads. Just decorate all over the place quick before the icing gets dry. Maybe we should have done it while we were doing it, guys. What do you think?
Yes.
Comment down below.
Yes, we should do
That
it.
icing works the same way as glue. You have to put it on while wet. Oh, look at our gingerbread house. It's looking so pretty. Put it on. So put it on, guys. Quick, quick, quick.
I'm gonna do it.
Oh boy, everything's falling. Run away, Candy. Quick.
I'm putting them safe.
Oh, you're putting them safe? So mommy's doing it wrong?
Yeah.
Just make sure that if you have a little baby running around that you clean up.
Baby, mama.
Like Nathan.
Yes, he's a running lady.
Yeah, you can get to it.
Oh, mommy, where's the scissors?
I want to try this pucker.
Wait, the gumball. For the roof. Mom, where
The
is the
roof.
gumball?
The root.
Roof
Yes.
is on fire.
Yes. Yes, that's your root.
Top work, gumball.
Our house is so pretty.
So, Auntie
Pucker up,
Rochelle,
Buttercup. Yes.
Nathan,
Let's try one.
Joshua, and
No,
Samuel
mommy, you
doesn't
can't.
are almost done decorating their house. Ruth and Rihanna are still just eating out the candy.
No, who saw that?
Everybody's, you do that.
No, I didn't matter. We're just.
Wow, that's
Like it,
nice, guys.
Okay, guys, this is the finished product of Michelle, Samuel, and Joshua. This is the front, the other side, the back, the other side,
Okay, so this is me and Ruth's creation for the gingerbread house. Okay, so here's the front. Oh, side. Okay. Side. Front.
That's the back.
Oh, okay. Okay. Side.
Yeah,
Front.
different.
Back.
Okay, guys, that is it for our Christmas edition gingerbread house.
Pretty much anything that we haven't done yet.
Yeah.
Don't forget, you can always leave it in the comment section, and we will go ahead and do that awesome banger video for you guys. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. We'll see you on our next adventure.
Next time on Royaladvntrs.
Okay guys, so now we're back and it's cake time! Yay! Okay, so ready, on the count of 3, we're gonna sing happy birthday to Rihanna. Ready?